In this video, I will be showing you how to customize the menu in the header and add useful links to the website. Okay, so now we will be going to change the menu links one by one and I will be showing you how to do it. Okay, so the first step is to open the dashboard, or you can navigate menu from here also. Click on new. That's it. Now you can see this is the website, this is the menu. Let's try to change it. So you can see this is the new menu. Let's try to add contact us, reservation, about us. Wait, we'll also be adding blogs, food menu, and that's it. Let's add the menu. Okay, the menu has been added. Let's try to save it. Don't forget to tick this. Okay, once it's done, let's try to refresh this. Now you can see contact us, blog slider, reservation, about us and food menu have been added. Let's try to change the contact us. Okay, let's try to change the font, I mean the text. If you click on it, you can see you can change the navigation label, just make it larger. Also I can see that we don't need the block slider on the top, we can make it at the bottom, rename it and keep it like blogs or latest blogs. Change this like contact us. Okay, so this is food menu will go up, contact us, reservation, about and latest blogs. That's it. Let's save it and let's try to refresh this. If everything is okay, it will be refreshed. Awesome. You can see the food menus on the top, latest blogs at the bottom, about us, contact us and reservation. These are nothing but the pages. Okay, so if I click on the contact us, it will redirect me to the contact us page. Awesome, right? You can see this is also changed here also. If I click on the reservation, I will be redirected to the reservation page. Awesome, right? That's it. In the next video we will be trying to customize the other pages.